Hi friends, welcome to our channel Study of Mathematics. 3.1.16 Solved Problems. Problem number 1. Find the equation of the straight line passing through the point 2, 3 and making non-zero intercepts on the axis of coordinates whose sum is 0. This is our given problem. In this problem, we have to find the equation of the straight line. For that, we have to given that the distance of the non-zero intercepts is 0 and the required equation is passing through the point 2, 3. Now, we will find out the problem solution. Solution. Let us assume given point A equal to 2, 3. Let A, B be the two non-zero intercepts. Given condition is that the sum of intercepts is 0, that is A plus B equal to 0. From this, B equal to minus A. That means A, minus A are the two non-zero intercepts. In this problem, we have intercepts, then we have to use equation of straight line in intercept form. The equation of straight line in intercept form is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. This is equation number 1. Substitute a, b equal to minus a in equation 1, we have x by a plus y by minus a equal to 1. From this, x minus y by a equal to 1. On simplification, x minus y equal to a. This is equation number 2. Given that the required equation passes through the point 2, 3, that is, the equation 2 passes through the point 2, 3. That is, 2 implies 2 minus 3 equal to a. After simplification, a equal to minus 1. Substitute a equal to minus 1 in equation 2, we have 2 implies x minus y equal to minus 1. Then x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. This is our required straight line equation. Therefore, the required equation of straight line is x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. This is our problem solution. 3.1.16 Solved Problems. Problem number 2. Find the equation of the straight line passing through the points a t1 square, 2a t1 and a t2 square, 2a t2. This is our given problem. In this problem, we have to find the equation of the straight line. For finding the equation, we have to given 2 points. Now, we will find out the solution. Solution. Let us assume that the given points are a equal to a t1 square, 2a t1 and b equal to a t2 square, 2a t2. Now, we will find the equation of the straight line by using the given 2 points. Then, we will use the 2-point form straight line equation formula. The equation of straight line is x minus x1 into y1 minus y2 equal to y minus y1 into x1 minus x2. This is the formula. In this, we have to substitute the values x1, y1, x2, y2. Then, x minus a t1 square into 2a t1 minus 2a t2 equal to y minus 2a t1 into a t1 square minus a t2 square. After simplification, x minus a t1 square into 2a into t1 minus t2 equal to y minus 2a t1 into a into t1 square minus t2 square. After simplification, 2a into x minus a t1 square into t1 minus t2 equal to a into y minus 2a t1 into t1 plus t2 into t1 minus t2. Here we cancel a and t1 minus t2 on both sides. Then the above equation becomes 2 into x minus a t1 square equal to y minus 2a t1 into t1 plus t2. After multiplication, we have 2x minus 2a t1 square equal to y t1 plus y t2 minus 2a t1 square minus 2a t1 t2. After simplification, the above equation becomes 2x equal to y t1 plus y t2 minus 2a t1 t2. Taking all values in one side, then we have 2x minus y t1 minus y t2 plus 2a t1 t2 equal to 0. Next, 2x minus of t1 plus t2 into y plus 2a t1 t2 equal to 0. This is the required straight line equation. Therefore, the required straight line equation is 2x minus t1 plus t2 into y plus 2a t1 t2 equal to 0. This is the required problem solution. 3.1.16 Solved problems. Problem number 3. Find the equation of the straight line passing through a of minus 1 comma 3 and first problem parallel, second perpendicular to the straight line passing through b of 2 comma minus 5 and c of 4 comma 6. This is our given problem. In this problem, we have to find the equation of the straight lines which are parallel and perpendicular to the straight line BC and passes through the point A. Now, we have to solve the problem. Solution. Given points are A equal to minus 1 comma 3, B equal to 2 comma minus 5 and C equal to 4 comma 6. Now, we will find out the equations which are parallel and perpendicular to the straight line BC. Then, first we find the slope of BC, then find the required equations by using slope and passes through the point A. Slope of BC, m1 equal to, slope formula is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Here we substitute the values x1 y1 and x2 y2 values. Then m1 equal to 6 plus 5 by 4 minus 2. After simplification, slope of BC m1 equal to 11 by 2. In that first problem. Now we will find the equation of straight line parallel to the straight line BC and passes through a point A. We also know that two lines are parallel, then their slopes are equal. By using this, the slope of required line is m equal to 11 by 2. Here you have slope and point, then we will use point slope form of the straight line equation. The required equation of straight line is passing through the point A of minus 1 comma 3 and having the slope m equal to 11 by 2. Then the straight line equation is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Here we substitute x1, y1 and m values. Then the above equation becomes y minus 3 equal to 11 by 2 into x plus 1. After simplification, 2 into y minus 3 equal to 11 into x plus 1. After simplification, 2y minus 6 equal to 11x plus 11. Taking all values in one side, then we have 11x plus 11 minus 2y plus 6 equal to 0. After simplifying the above equation, then 11x minus 2y plus 17 equal to 0. This is the parallel equation of the BC line. Next, second. Now, we will find the equation of straight line perpendicular to the straight line BC and passes through the point A. We also know that any two lines are perpendicular to each other, then their slopes products is equal to minus 1. That is, perpendicular line slope is minus 1 by slope of the BC line. Then the required equation of slope m equal to minus 1 by m1. That equal to, substitute m1 value, then m equal to minus 1 by 11 by 2. That is m equal to minus 2 by 11. Here we have slope and point, then we will use point slope form of the straight line equation. Then the equation of straight line passing through the point a of minus 1 comma 3 and having slope m minus 2 by 11, then the straight line equation becomes y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Here also we substitute x1, y1 and m values. Then y minus 3 equal to minus 2 by 11 into x plus 1. After simplification, then 11 into y minus 3 equal to minus 2 into x plus 1. After simplifying the above equation, then 11y minus 33 equal to minus 2x minus 2. Taking all values in one side, then 11y minus 33 plus 2x plus 2 equal to 0. After simplification, 2x plus 11y minus 31 equal to 0. This is the required straight line equation which is perpendicular to the line BC. This is the our given problem solution. 3.1.16 Solved problems. Problem number 4. Prove that the points 1, 11, 2, 15 and minus 3, minus 5 are collinear and find the equation of the straight line containing them. This is our given problem. In this problem, we have to prove the given 3 points are collinear and also find the equation of the straight line which are passes through the 3 points. Now, we will solve the problem. Solution. Let us assume that the given points are A equal to 1, 11, B equal to 2, 15 and C equal to minus 3, minus 5. Now, we have to prove A, B, C are collinear. For proving the 3 points are collinear, we have to use so many methods. In that, one method we will use in this problem. For that is, we have to show the slopes of AB and BC are equal. Then slope of AB, m1 equal to, formula is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 equal to 15 minus 11 by 2 minus 1. After simplification, 4 by 1 that equal to 4. Then slope of AB, m1 equal to 4. And slope of BC, m2 equal to minus 5 minus 15 by minus 3 minus 2 that equal to minus 20 by minus 5. After cancellation, m2 equal to 4. Then slope of BC, m2 equal to 4. From these two, we have slope of AB equal to slope of BC. The slopes are equal, then the points A, B, C are collinear. Now, we have to find the equation of the straight line. That is, A, B, C are collinear, then the straight line equations can form these points are same line. Then the equation of straight line passing through the point A 1, 11 and having the slope 4, we have the formula is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Here we substitute x1, y1 and m values, then the equation becomes y minus 11 equal to 4 into x minus 1. After simplification, y minus 11 equal to 4x minus 4. Taking all values in one side, then 4x minus 4 minus y plus 11 equal to 0. After simplifying the above equation, then 4x minus y plus 7 equal to 0. This is the required straight line equation. Therefore, the required equation of straight line is 4x minus y plus 7 equal to 0. This is our given problem solution. Thanks for watching our video. For more videos, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.